Hello everyone, welcome back to Trade Night, and today this will be a quick video because one of the members of our Discord, by the way, join our Discord server. It's completely for free. We are posting analysis, chatting, etc. So yeah, join our Discord. But basically, one of members just asked me about basically he's in a drawdown, etc. and he doesn't understand how to get out of the drawdown, even though his backtest was profitable. And yeah, so I just decided to make a video and explain that also in YouTube. Why not? Say you backtest, and this is how your backtest looks like. Okay, so it is profitable. You see that there is a profitability, and then you go to live markets and you see this. Let's just screenshot this piece of a price. Oops, actually, let's do this. And let's go here and just copy paste. So you see this. So this is zero line. This is zero on your FTMO challenge. This is 10%, challenge passed. This is minus 10% challenge lost, So at this point, these are 16 trades, 20 trades or something like that. After this, for me, this piece of market data is from live markets. It is 2-3 weeks I was in a drawdown, not making any money. New trader, after it has done its backtest and the strategy looks profitable, and you start trading, and 2-3 weeks is something like this, and you're just losing money. You start to take stupid trades. You start to change something that doesn't need to be changed. You start to innovate new, let's say, strategy or new rules or whatever you want to refine in your strategy because it doesn't deliver. If you look at this price action, sorry, not price action, but profit curve, and this, there's a huge difference, At this backtest at the start, you already made money. On live account, you're not making money. And you start to innovate or start to force trades. Let's say you start to get a running trade that runs in profit and you close it before take profits, etc. You don't take partials or whatever. You take a small win. And then you take a bigger loss, etc., etc. And you just lose your account because your psychology is going into shit. If you're following your rules from A to Z, and backtest shows you're profitable, how can you lose your money? Of course, in trading can happen anything, but at the same time, you should trust your strategy and keep trading how you backtested. So let's say you quit at this point, or you start doing some dumb shit, and let's say market, if you would still be trading at the same strategy, market or your chart would look like something like this. Let's say some wins already at 0 point again, let's say some again losses, and then what happens? Let's just play a game. Let's screenshot all this. Let's just play a game. Let's say this is what happened, but you quit here, or let's say you get to your break even to 0 point, and here you lose your patience, and that's it. Your account is fucking lost. We all have done it. We all know this. Don't say you haven't experienced this, because I know that we all have done this. That we just lost patience. We lost maybe not the motivation. I don't know what we lost, but for my experience, we just lost something and we started to do some fucking dumb shit that is not in the rules of our strategy, and we lost our accounts. All of us has done it, and you missed all this. And at this point, once we are here, oops, 0 point is here. Do we look at this and say that strategy is profitable? And it's working? Yes. But let's say we have again something like this. Do now we think that strategy is, we should change something? No, why? But many people again will lose their patience, break their rules and start to do dumb shit, and their account will be lost. But if you keep looking at your strategy and keep on risking your correct amount of money to a trade or sticking to your rules, what can happen? Now, do we look at this strategy and it looks unprofitable? It looks fucking fantastic. You're outperforming Wall Street. But at this point, you told that fucking strategy was shit and you need to quit. Or you need to find new YouTuber that shows you the fucking best strategy there is. Are you fucking stupid? If you have piece of a data that shows you that you are profitable in the long run, not in one trade or 10 trades or 20 trades or 50 trades, but 100, 200, 500 trades, the more the best. If it shows on backtest that it is fucking profitable, why not to implement those rules and stick to those rules and keep on trading? And let's say after this was the phase one, and let's say on some kind of platforms there is just one phase to get funded account. And let's say now you are funded. You finally achieved your fucking goal. You are funded. How good it would be to be fucking funded and start trading next Monday with a funded account and know that every fucking money you earn on that account will be yours. And you can buy what the fuck you want with that money. And let's say, where is fucking, let's say this is next what you experience. Good market conditions. And this is what you experience. And at this point, do you really think that your strategy isn't working? No, it fucking is working. And let's say now you have all this. Let's delete these. And let's say now you have all this. Basically a chop. You're not making money for a month. But overall, the picture, is it fucking bullish? Is your system working? Yes. You don't need to change anything. Even though in the last month you haven't made a fucking win. Not a win, but a fucking profit. I mean, new highs on your account. It doesn't mean anything. At this point, when you will want to quit, what will happen next if you keep concentrating to your rules? And now, is the fucking strategy working or not? I think you get the point. I just know from my experience that I have blown like 5 to 6, maybe 7 prop firm accounts. And yeah, but from my experience, I know the feeling here that you need to quit. You need to find new shit. You need to find new YouTuber that shows you best strategy there is. That's why we here at Trade Night, we don't force you to buy some kind of mentorship or whatever you want to, whatever anybody else wants you to buy or whatever. We are here to teach you first of all for free, and just help you to understand how markets moves. Look at my 23 parts of my 10k to 100 journey. Right now we are at 47k. How I'm able to stay out of the markets. For example, gold. I skipped gold all this time. 19 days I didn't take any trades. And I took an entry here. It was a small partial and stopped me out at break even, and I didn't take anything here. I didn't take anything in this run. I took here full take profit. By that I mean I'm able to stay out of the market and sit on my hands and wait for my opportunities to take a trade. And that's it, just think about it. First of all, you need to do a backtest. You need to understand how to trade. When you have a backtest, if it is profitable from 500 trades, start trading live and stick to the rules. And that's all you need. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.